What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace images in frames in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design and then click on the framed image you want to replace. Then you're going to click the delete icon and click delete image. Next, go to uploads, photos, or elements on the left-hand panel to find a new image. Click directly onto the image you would like to use and then drag into the existing frame. Canva will automatically replace the old image while keeping the frame size and shape intact. You can double click on the image to reposition or zoom in if needed. This method makes updating designs quick while maintaining consistent layouts. And that's how you replace images in frames in Canva.